Today we are discussing about engineering interface. Human interface to monitor and control. Engineer to put DCS onto field. DCS means distributed control system. Designed for engineer to monitor, control, procure, arrange, wiring, testing. Select device for operator, mount in panel board, wire test. Documentation, error detected, new module, wiring, documentation, update. Dedicated inter-module wiring replaced by share communication, CRT based instead of huge panel board, engineering made simple. Special hardware part of DCS to make this painless engineering interface. Low-level engineering interface, minimum function devices, inexpensive, small, high-level engineering interface, full function devices, powerful, expensive, medium and large. Then functions, system configuration, define hardware and software configuration, interconnection algorithm. Operator interface configurations, define equipments related to this DCS, that means distributed control system. System documentation, system and interface for quick changes. System failure diagnostics, determine accidents of failure, quick and efficient. Requirement, access security, control logic and tuning parameter, unauthorized, not followed, not allowed. Then ergonomic design, not for programmers, many device interface between them. Data reasonable and consistency, check with the previous entered value, prompt to correct, enter not more than once. Many control for one pick, keep track. For several related hardware system should be provided, check. User convenience, easy storage when not in use. No need to shut down to connect or disconnect devices, convenient. Cost effectiveness. The next, system configuration requirement, manual work, determining the control system requirement, selecting and procuring hardware, then physical assembling, then connecting wires between transmitter and terminating point in control room, define address of internet protocol and then output points in the system. That means define tag name and descriptor related these two tags. Signal conditioning, if required, of input linearization 0 or span shifting conversion output to select, configure and tune control and computational algorithm. Define auxiliary function, trunking logging and then requires transmission, define links from element to other. System to check, so preloaded, duplicate in mass storage. Then operator interface configuration requirement. Implement panel board or video display unit functions to select the defined devices and mechanism for operator, control station, indicators, recorders, relate operators, interface or display to control and instrumentation hardware in field. Labeling devices, display with the tag. Documentation requirement, bulk configuration to engineering interface and stores in mass storage include hard copy to support documentation, support tabular graphic data format, keep track of field changes. EI must handle these changes as well as original design automatic with a less human effort. Diagnostics of system requirement. Self-diagnosis, intelligent individual device, identify failed device, sensor, power supply, communication devices, partial failure, then severity and nature to identify. Troubleshooting of control system, initial, online, continuous logic batch. Low-level engineering interface, microprocessor based handheld, then module that can be mounted, minimal input output, plug and play not needed throughout the use of code word symbol, minimum input output. Thank you.